Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit One's budgeting tools. So it's going to be a really quick video. Let's just get straight into it. It's a step-by-step guide. So the first thing you're going to do is to sign into your Credit One accounts. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website online with your computer. So once you sign into your account, you just want to click on budgeting tools. And here you're going to select the tool that you want to make use of, and you can enter your income and expense information in the areas that are required, and then you want to review and understand the budgeting recommendations. So once you've entered your expense information and your income, you're going to receive budgeting recommendations, and you can adjust these budgeting plans as needed to suit your specific requirements. And also consider setting up budgeting alerts, because that's going to help you to be active and alert on things, because once you go over the budget on a particular area, it's going to send out the alerts, so you get to take note of those. And also just contact Credit One's customer support if you have any further questions or concerns when it comes to the budgeting tool or things that you need to do. So yeah, make sure you review and understand the budgeting tool program details. That's going to help you to better access the tool. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit One's budgeting tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.